Hey there, welcome back to Afterschool Psychology. Are you tired of being stuck in the friend zone? Do you constantly find yourself wondering if you're just a friend or something more? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 clear indicators that you might be stuck in the friend zone. So grab a seat, take some notes, and let's dive right in. Indicator number 1, the dreaded bro talk. Now, we all know that heart-to-heart conversations are a crucial part of any friendship. But if your conversations are filled with advice on how to impress other people, chances are you're deep in the friend zone. It's like having a personal cheerleader who's constantly rooting for the other team. So, buddy, if you're hearing more about her crushes than about your own romantic prospects, it might be time to reevaluate your position. Indicator number 2, the absence of physical contact. Now, don't get me wrong, physical boundaries are important and should always be respected. But if every touch feels like an Olympic hurdle, my friend, you're definitely not making it out of the friend zone anytime soon. So pay attention to those awkward side hugs or the high fives that never quite land. If you're not getting that warm, fuzzy feeling from a simple touch, chances are you're being firmly categorized as just a friend. Indicator number 3, the "you're like a brother to me" bomb. Ouch! Those words can sting like a wasp. When a girl drops the brother line on you, it's like being trapped in a never-ending episode of the Friend Zone Chronicles. It's her way of telling you, hey pal, I appreciate you, but don't even think about trying to upgrade your status. So take a step back, put on your favorite sitcom, and prepare for a night of Netflix and heartache. Indicator number 4, always being a +1. Picture this. You're invited to a party, and you're excited because you finally get to spend some quality time with that special someone. But wait, hold on a second. You're not going solo. Nope. You're always her go-to +1, the dependable friend who's always there for moral support. If you find yourself playing the role of a wingman more often than not, my friend, you're firmly rooted in the friend zone forest. It's time to grab that axe and start hacking your way out. Indicator number 5, the friend zone test. Now, this one might sound a bit unconventional, but hey, desperate times call for desperate measures, right? So here's what you do. Subtly mention another person's interest in you. Watch her reaction closely. If she looks relieved or unaffected, it's a clear indicator that you're in the friend zone. But if her eyes widen, she starts stuttering, or gets all defensive, well, congratulations, my friend. You might have just discovered a secret passage out of the friend zone labyrinth. Indicator number 6, she treats you like a personal stylist. Now, we all appreciate a second opinion when it comes to fashion choices. But if you find yourself constantly helping her pick outfits or giving fashion advice, my friend, you might be deep in the friend zone fashion show. It's like being her trusted fashion consultant with zero chance of being her leading man. So unless she starts asking you for wardrobe tips for a special date with you, it's time to reconsider your role in her life. Indicator number 7, you're her go-to confidant for dating advice. Ah, the irony. She's coming to you for advice on how to impress other guys while completely overlooking your own potential as a romantic partner. It's like being the captain of the friend zone advisory board. So buddy, if you find yourself giving her tips on how to flirt or decode mixed signs, it's time to hit the pause button and redirect that wisdom towards your own love life. Indicator number 8, you're stuck in group hangouts. Look, hanging out with friends is great, but if every time you try to plan some one-on-one time with her, it turns into a group gathering, you might be trapped in the friend zone maze. It's like being the permanent third wheel of your own potential romance. So my friend, it's time to assert yourself and make it clear that you're looking for some quality one-on-one time. If she's not interested, well, at least you'll know where you stand. Indicator number 9, she sets you up on dates with her friends. Oh, the dreaded matchmaking routine. If she's constantly trying to set you up with her friends instead of considering you as a potential partner herself, you're clearly running laps in the friend zone marathon. It's like being caught in a perpetual cycle of blind dates without any chance of being the one who steals her heart. So, kindly decline those setups and make it clear that you're interested in her, not her friends. And finally, indicator number 10, the lack of jealousy. Now, I'm not saying that jealousy is a healthy emotion, but a little bit of it can sometimes be a sign that someone sees you as more than just a friend. If she shows absolutely no indicators of jealousy when you mention other girls or hang out with them, you might be cruising in the friend zone highway with no exits in sight. So pay attention to those reactions, or lack thereof, and adjust your course accordingly. So there you have it, gentlemen. 10 clear indicators that you might be trapped in the friend zone. Remember, it's not the end of the world, and sometimes friendships can be incredibly valuable. But if you're yearning for something more, it's time to start making moves. Before you go, here are a few quick tips to help you escape the friend zone. Tip number 1, communicate your feelings. Sometimes being open and honest can change the game. Tip number 2, work on your confidence. Confidence is attractive, so start believing in yourself. Tip number 3, Create a little mystery. Don't be an open book. Leave her wanting to know more about you. Tip number 4, show her your romantic side. Plan a date that's a little more than just hanging out. And finally, tip number 5, if all else fails, it might be time to broaden your horizons and meet new people. Sometimes finding someone who sees your worth from the get-go can be a game changer. If you've learned something interesting, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so we can make more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.